Alright, these are the Empire elevators. Oh wait. Actually, yeah, I'll come in.
What floor?
45. Oh, it's on. I'm just getting a video, so.
You got a 403B setup? Or because you're private, do they match like 401k?
Oh, I guess
I
it
can't
works
talk
for
for
your
you.
video.
Oh, no, I don't care. Don't worry.
No,
What's your video for?
I'm just interested in elevators, so.
Interesting.
I mean, this is my first time in Vegas, so I'm trying to check
Get
out
all the
the
elevators?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You putting music behind this, or is his
Or
voice
this
comes?
I'm pretty sure this is the same elevator that Home Alone was filmed in. New York, right? New York.
The Empire Building?
No, that's the
Empire State.
that's a hotel. I forget what's the name. It's either I think it's like the Palace.
You probably know.
All right, man. Enjoy your elevators.
Take care. Wow, they're original. Oh wait, it's original. These are cool. Look at this cab. I feel like everybody here is also slightly intoxicated. Ooh, power stop. Any floor open? 2. Going up. Oh, here we go. Sorry. Of course. Whoa. Look at this view. Now, this is cool. Check it out. This is actually really neat. Looks like they're building an interchange there. There's a Legion. Oh no, that's Frontier taken off. There's the MGM and the Tropicana, RIP. That one's getting torn down in April. Less than I think this is like the last week or two it's running. Anyway, running. I talk about like it's an elevator. Last week it's built. But anyway, that is going to be it.